nature. We cannot deny the truth about our beloved Mother Earth. We are the cause of her death, well in fact, she's the reason why we breathe. Green mountains with their tall trees, fishes that swim in rivers and seas. This is our beautiful nature, which is now in grave danger. Pollutions everywhere, contributed by humans here and there. With factories, industries, and automobiles, which release harmful gases in the air. Let's minimize pollution. In our hands is the solution. Let's work together in saving Mother Nature.